Hi, I'm Marty Nemko. Today I want to talk with you about a potent way to reduce your life's stress. Too often, recommendations for reducing stress are for after you're already stressed. Take deep breaths, exercise, talk with a friend or counselor. But many people can prevent the problem of the stress by cleaning what I call your house of stress. That is, inventory your life to see if there are people, activities, and actually concrete objects that you should sweep out. The following self-inventory of your life should help. First, let's look at the people at work. Do you have a stress-inducing boss, coworker, supervisee, customer, vendor, or client? Is there a way you can reduce or even eliminate contact? For example, might you request a transfer, or fire a customer, or simply minimize interaction with that person? Now let's turn to people outside of work. Think of your friends, your neighbors, members of your religious institution, a team you're on, and family members. Are there any who you should trim from your life? Now let's look at activities at work. Can you offload some stressful part of your job? For example, trade some of your stare-at-the-screen work for people-oriented activity, or vice versa. Now let's look at activities outside of work. Some people seem so stressed when they play or watch a sport or video game that it's hard to imagine them being more stressed at work or in dealing with an obstreperous child. Might you want to trade some of your adrenalizing, cortisol-spewing recreation for something calming, like hiking, craft work, playing a musical instrument, writing, or dancing, or simply by not taking that, quote, big game so seriously that you yell at the TV screen or at yourself or others for a miscue? And finally, let's look at concrete objects, things. How could an inanimate object be a source of stress? Easily. For example, there's the boat. It's long been said that a boat owner's happiest days are the day he or she buys it and the day he or she sells it. Or how about that car, whose coolness is outweighed by the time it spends in the shop, let alone on the side of the road? A car such as a Toyota or Subaru may not turn heads, but it can be counted on to start every day and run every day for an awful long time. That's a cost-saving stress buster. The takeaway? Stress is unavoidable, and some stress is desirable. For example, a new project or learning that isn't too easy or difficult and that feels important. A modestly increased goal for work or exercise, a travel adventure, or the search for someone to love. But cleaning your house of bad stress can turn a house of horrors into a dream house, or at least one that's habitable. In any event, I do thank you for watching. I'm Marty Nemko. I welcome your thumbs up and accept your thumbs down. I always look forward to your comments, and especially like if you hit the share button below, share on your social media so that my efforts can have broader impact. And I am flattered if you choose to subscribe to my channel. And in any event, I do thank you for watching. I am Marty Nemko.